This is 93.5 Big River Radio. I'm your host, Michelle Morrison, here to tell you, you might be the one listening, but we hear from you first. It's a beautiful day today, partly cloudy, sun's coming through, looks like it's gonna stay that way throughout the next few days, but there is a chance of showers on Wednesday afternoon. Little League, bring your raincoat. On to traffic. Heavier than usual. Is it just me? It seems like summer rush has arrived early. Great for the tourism industry, big new headache for us. Now, that's the usual announcement. Out of the way, it is time for what you really tuned in for. We'll break down the event that left our town a little more empty, and since I've kept you waiting long enough, you get the first say. Caller, you're on the air.
Thank you. Now, I understand that dogs were a really big problem, but come on, has anything really changed?
You don't think things got any better?
No, I don't think things got any better. My coughing is worse than ever. I thought we were supposed to make Big River great again.
Well, that's not an unpopular stance these days, but you might get a fresh look at things, or at least an explanation, because up next, we're hearing straight from the man behind the movement himself, Chance Campbell. .5 Big River Radio, and we're back. Chance Campbell, my guest. Chance, I think there's one question we all want to know the answer to. How did all of this start?
Well,
I grilled the chicken already. You just need to heat it up. Oh. Bed and toys. Oh, anxiety meds. This one's his favorite. There's a schedule and a detailed list of instructions on the fridge.
okay, I've got it.
Thank you. And you, my little poopsie. Oh, you be a good little poo-poo. Mwah. Bye.
Here, let me get. Ah! Oh, you little.
It sounds like she was definitely dog obsessed.
Oh, it was an epidemic. Mr. and Mrs. Burke. Sorry to keep you waiting.
No need to apologize. We took a look around.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, but we're just not sure this neighborhood's right for our boy.
Your boy?
The yard's a little small, and I'm worried that the hardwood floors might hurt his nails.
You're kidding me, right? Kitty?
You careless monster. You didn't even, no treats, no eye drops. You didn't even brush his teeth. This isn't working for us.
Kitty? Kitty, wait.
And how did that lead you to convincing others?
Oh, well, I did some digging. There's plenty of proof out there.
You might accidentally drink a dog. Dogs are bad. Is that a dog? No, that's not a dog. That's not a dog. That's not a dog. Oh, he did something bad. Oh, bad dog.
Dogs are a disease. They poison the atmosphere. They leave their poo everywhere. That's why we're all coughing. Then you've got wasted money. I mean, you've got downsizing at the mill because of overspending on dogs. You have wasted resources making dog food. You've got strains on relationships. Dogs have brainwashed everyone into thinking that they're good, loyal companions when all they care about are snacks. Dogs are the cause of everything bad.
Dogs out! Dogs out! Dogs out! Dogs out! Dogs out! Dogs out! Dogs out!
How could I live with myself if I didn't spread the word?
And people listened. The whole town did get on board.
Because it was the truth. People always come around to the truth. Dogs are bad. Bad dog. It's that simple. And when you have a problem like this, you just have to deal with it. Everything is better now, and everyone agrees with me.
Well, are you sure about that? Because it's been 2 months and none of the problems that you claim were caused by dogs have gone away.
No. That's wrong. Everything is much better now.
The coughing fits have not stopped, and in fact, there are now more new cases than ever being reported.
This is just fake news. You have no idea what you're talking about. You're just biased against me.
You know what? Let's let the public weigh in then. I'd like to go to the phone lines and, as always, hear where our listeners stand. Caller, you're on the air.
I was always on Chance's side. I kept my son away from dogs because he said they were dangerous. But look, he got sick anyway. Just last week. I don't think it was the dogs at all.
No. It was just the dogs. Period.
Okay, we have to go to the next caller. Thank you for your input, and you're on the air.
Chance, you dirty, lying, giant son of a...
Okay, thank you. Next caller, you're on the air.
All my chicken's been eaten now that Rover's gone. What am I supposed to do about that with no dog?
My brother's pet store is going out of business because of all this. How is this helping anything?
What the hell is going on, Chance? You said getting rid of our dogs would fix things. Now what?
Chance, what do you have to say to that?
Well, obviously it's not only the dogs. We just have to deal with this new problem.
And that would be?
That would be